and welcome to this tutorial on the DIY Heidi Swapp neon wall words. I'm excited to share this with you today, so let's get started. All right, you're gonna need a couple things to follow along, like this neon glow word, the battery pack and wire, glitter, glue, I love the sticky thumb, and of course a paintbrush, because we're gonna be painting the glue. Protect your surface with a mat, yeah. Grab your word, we're gonna be painting it with the sticky thumb glue and adding glitter to the shine. So what I'm doing here is working real hard to make sure that I just keep the glue on the top surface of the shine. The groove there is for the wire, and you're gonna see here I'm gonna go in with a smaller paintbrush and clean out so I don't have any glue splotches sitting in there. So working one letter at a time is best when you're doing glue and a glitter cover like this. That way the glue doesn't dry, and like I'm doing here, going back and touching up where some of that did not adhere to the word. And so just keep working through the whole word until everything's covered. The glitter is gorgeous on here. It doesn't really show up in the video as well as I'd love for it to, but it is stunning to glitter these neon wall words. I'm gonna finish up here with this glitter some more, and because you're using a mat, when you're all done with the glitter and the excess that's fallen on the mat, just clean it up and pour it back into your bowl. And that's what it looks like when it is all completely covered. It's really super simple and the results are gorgeous. Okay, wait for it to dry, wait very well, get your drink, and we'll move on to the next section of getting this word ready. So I picked the yellow neon wire, and there are instructions on the back of the packaging that help you how to thread through the whole entire word. So run that first piece of wire all the way through, give yourself some extra room at the end where the battery pack is, but for the most part, you're pulling that wire all the way through to start. And throughout the letter, there are little holes that you will be able to thread back through and come back to the front again. And again, just pull that wire all the way through. Now, the groove can be a little tricky. So what I've done, I've grabbed my silhouette spatula and I'm using the end of it to help me push the neon wire into the groove. On this particular word, the shine, the eye is dotted with a star, and that star is a little tricky. I found that the wire did not always go perfectly into the grooves, but it's really actually okay, and maybe I'm just not very in depth at doing this, but it worked out fine. Even if some of the wire was popping up just a little bit, it definitely does not show when you have the word lit and when the room is dark. So don't get too upset if your wire doesn't go in absolutely perfect. On the wider words, it is actually pretty easy to get it in. And so I'm just gonna finish up the rest of this word, finish my in up, and it's gonna move into my E, and you'll see how this finishes here in a moment. Then that excess there, I think I show later in the video how I trim that off. You can just cut it anywhere. The battery pack is included with the wire light. It plugs into the wire, and you have 3 settings. It's on, it flashes, and it blinks faster. Super fun. So trim off the excess, hang or add this to a gallery wall, and enjoy your neon wall word.